Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you, if you are someone who's looking for a online business which you can pretty much get started for very little money, I share with you what are the things I'm doing on a daily basis to be able to get success with this amazing system that I've been doing for close to about 1 year. I'm loving every bit of it, and the great thing about this is it's like a recurring income business model that you're actually growing, right? Most of the time people, they actually start a high ticket affiliate marketing program, and they're pretty much they're actually not sure if they're going to be getting sales next year or even tomorrow. Like if they get a sale today, they don't know if it's going to be sustainable for long term, right? That's the reason I started doing recurring income affiliate marketing. And initially when I first started, I started doing high ticket affiliate marketing, but I wasn't getting any support. I wasn't getting any one-on-one help, right? So that's the reason I was looking into other different programs, and luckily I came through the business model that I'm going to be sharing with you very soon, right? So make sure you stay till the end. And this business model, I literally started with only $25, right? How many businesses out there can you find that you can literally start for as little as $25, right? The days are long gone where you have to invest probably close to $500,000 or $1 million to get a business started up and running, right? This day and age is so easy to get success online, and because of this program, because of this system, I'm able to do that and to generate sustainable long-term business model that I'm earning on a continuous basis, right? So if you are just watching this video, you're going to go just beneath this video, right? And you're going to just click on this button here, the first button on the description area, and then you're going to get access to this amazing system here, right? So this is the all-in-one business model, which I literally started for as little as $25, and we start to earn $20, $100, $400 and $800 commission that we start to earn like month after month, and that pretty much grows over time, right? So if you start with $25, that income, that $25, you can pretty much grow to $3,000 in a month, 10,000, 30,000, and then you can do the maths, right? So it just keeps on increasing like month after month. And I really love this system because of the simplicity about the program, right? There is nothing complicated. You just follow the instructions step by step. And we also do have a back office, right? Inside the back office, we have all the training and support for a complete beginner. So if you are a complete beginner in the online space, right, this is our back office, and you can see the back office. All the training and everything is just laid out step by step. So for a complete beginner, right, for them to set up their business model and to actually get traffic, because if you don't know ways to get traffic into your funnel, into your system, you're not going to be having a business, right? So that's the reason this company actually helped me out a lot, right? And I'm starting to earn that recurring commission. But if I go to traffic and conversion, we do have about 7 mastermind calls every single week, right? Monday to Friday, 7 mastermind calls, which is just awesome, right? So you can go and see as much coaching and training in here, and personally I'll be helping you out, right, as well. Step by step, I'll provide you all the support, all the help I can give you, right? In here you can see all the training here, right? They got training close to about 3-4 years worth of training in here, right? So you can just keep scrolling down, look at your answers. If any questions you have, you can always reach out to me, because I help my team. We have our own Facebook Messenger chat, and we help our team like on a ongoing continuous basis, right? So these are the 3 products. You can start to earn that recurring commission month after month. Another thing that I really love is this content creation machine. As you might know, there's softwares like ChatGPT, and there's like a lot of softwares out there, but this one is specifically designed to create content, right? It's called Amazon Magic Content Machine. I really love this one a lot because it helps me to actually come up with email ideas, right? If I want to send email to a prospect, I just come here, I type like a subject line, and I say, can you give me a body and also give me a call to action? And that email I just sent to the prospect, right? So very, very simple. And we have a lot of bonus here, right? And you're also going to get a lot of bonus from my side as well, right? So if you're watching this video, there's going to be a video that's going to be popping up soon, right? In here, you'll see this video here, team bonus, and this team bonus goes over like what are the bonus that I actually give my team, right? So all you have to do is just click on the home screen here, and in here you can see all my training, like step-by-step training you can see, right? And you can just watch this and just start your business, right? Very simple. And in here you'll see this video here called team bonus. You'd want to click on that and watch my team bonus, because I give a lot of bonus for my team. So it will actually help them to succeed online, right? It's no point me giving you access to the system without giving you any bonus, because this bonus will actually help you out a lot, right? That's the reason I put it together. It took me a while to come up with this bonus because I want everyone who joins my team to get success online, right? So if you're thinking about joining that system that gives you a lot of time freedom and be able to spend more quality time with your kids and your family and to do the things that you want to do, and this business is just going to be running on autopilot, right? You do need at least, I'd say, half an hour to an hour a day to be able to run this business, right? But all the methods that I use to run my business, I'll be providing you, right? So if you have any questions, you don't have any you're still looking for that online business, right? I'll put all the details in the link below this video, so you can click it. You can also reach out to me on Facebook if you have any questions, and I can help you step by step, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I cannot wait to help you with this amazing online business. Thank you, and bye for now.